It's time to sew section 2 together of our 2 scoops bench pillow. I pulled the packet where I have been keeping all of the finished blocks, and after sewing section 2 together, we will sew it to section 1, so I will put that aside. And let's put all of our blocks on page 44 of the instructions. It shows how to put these together. And then the 2 sets of the half square triangles, it looks like this one looks like section 3, and so it's going to be the pink in the upper left corner and then the purple in the bottom, so that they will just look continuous, like this is one pieced block. All right, so this will be pretty simple to sew together. I will sew these 3 together, these 2 together, these 2 together, and these 2 together, and then we'll just put each of the rows together. And once that's done, we will sew it to section 1. So let's get started. Here is section 2 sewn together, and I just love it. I think I love this project more and more as I continue to work on it. So when I sewed these blocks together, I pressed the seams open. The only one seam that I did not press open, and I just pressed one way, was the seam that attaches this this half triangle piece together. These have so many layers of fabric because they were the flip and fold that it just wasn't going to lay as nice, I don't think, open. And so I just pressed that so that this block was basically flat. All the other ones I did press open. And I do have to mention again that I have this little stick. It's kind of like a padded half round piece of wood covered with muslin, and it's called the strip stick. And I use this when I have lots of seams to press. And so you would just put this down, line up your seam that you're going to press on top, and then press, and this kind of elevates the seam, and so you don't mess up the other seams, or at least have a less likelihood of messing up seams that intersect. And so that really helps with the pressing open of the seams when there's lots going on. All right, so now I just need to finish this up by stitching these together, and it'll be time to start the 3rd section. I just love how it's coming along.